like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm here with my icon box for February. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, this is their quarterly subscription, but you have to be subscribed to either Boxy Charm or Glam Bag for them before you're eligible for this. Now, I think Glam Bag is like $16, but this one is $65 with $1.95 shipping. So, let's see. My eyes are watering. So anyway, and with this, they have, oh, I forgot to show you. When you get it, it looks, when you open it, it looks like this. And every 3 months, they have a different person take it over. It's basically a takeover box. And this one was Gabrielle Union. And they do give you the prices in here, and they give you information on all your stuff. So, I will keep that as a reference, but mostly I put the dollar amount on the screen, and I leave all the links down in the description, just so you know. Okay, so let's just start. I don't know what to start with. We'll start with this. This is KosasGlow I.V. Warmth Infused Skin Enhancer. Charge. I thought I heard a noise. Charged in vitamins. Charged with vitamins. So it's a skin enhancer. So basically similar to a BB cream. We'll see. Which is what I have on my face today, because I'm just kind of, yeah, this is what it is, what it looks like. It's one of these, and I will just, that takes a while sometimes to milk these. Come on, baby. You know you want to. There we go. There you go. This is what it looks like. This is the consistency. And basically, it's a foundation, a light foundation with moisturizer in it. And I've been starting to go that route for a daily, you know, because you can just throw it on your face as your moisturizer, and it's you but better. Now on my lips, this is just, I found some lip oil, and when I went to put it on, I noticed I had some lipstick in it from before, and that's what happened. So I'm running all over the house looking for some lip oil, and I finally found some, and then I was like, oh well. But anyway, this is Kosas, and I believe this is on the front page. And let's see, how much is it? It is valued at $38. Okay. Maybe if I get some kind of idea. Here's Dew of the Gods. Heaven Grade Body Serum. Body Serum. Now, I don't think there's a set. I want to take these off sometimes because I realize I'm blinding you when I look up. I don't think there's a serum in the world that can handle all this. Just saying. But you open it up, looks like this. It's called Glaze. And it did say places that you want to enhance, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you. Ooh, that came right out. I really wasn't expecting that. And just put it on there, and it's kind of like a skin oil. But it's the lightweight skin oil. Which I do confess, I used to wear tanning oil in the summertime, but I didn't wear it for the tanning. I wore it for the oil because it was much more good for my dry ass skin, because I've always had dry skin. Let's see what the value of that was. It's on this page too. Dew of the Gods, and that is a $38 value too. Also, $38 also. Okay. Then we'll go to this. What is this? I don't even remember what I ordered. This is Ambient Hourglass Soft Glow Foundation. Ambient Hourglass, and this is the color. I really can't read it because I already touched it with my hands. I'd already had. It's number 5. Number 5. Number 5 is alive. Remember that? Remember that movie, ladies? Okay. Yeah, it was a little unscrewed. I hope nothing got spilled. Didn't get spilled in there either. Okay, this is a foundation, so I'm going to use it up here on my freckles because I already put it on my track marks. Put quite a bit down. If you can see, put quite a bit down with one squirt, so it'll do your whole face with one squirt. And it did cover most of my freckles. Okay, we can use that on a no makeup day too, I guess. You can wear it on a makeup day or a no makeup day, I guess. Oops, I forgot to put that here. Okay, then we got Sculpt Tape Contour. This is by Tarte, and this is what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to tell you how much that foundation costs. It ain't on this page. It ain't on that page. Here's where I get in trouble. When it ain't on those pages, stop. It's not on that one. Here it is. Okay, it's got to be over here. Here it is. $36. $36. Now we need the sculpt tape. Where's it? I don't know. Is it over here? I think it'd be here. Well, let's just see. I don't know. I don't see the sculpt tape. I thought I would get ahead of the game, but I don't see it. It's got to be here. Here, I'm just going to take it out and see what it looks like. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll help, but this is what it looks like in the package. And I got, what color did I get? Something cool bronze is what I got. Okay, there's what it looks like. It is on that page I was looking at. And that's what it looks like. Let's see. And this is $36 also. This is $36 also. And it's one of these type. And what you do on these is you kind of squeeze and push down. It's kind of squeeze. Takes forever. Might be sealed in there. Hell, I don't know. Oh, you have to turn it. I forgot. And let's see. Then you can just go. I'm just going to put one dot down. But don't forget to turn it back or it will go out in your purse. But that's just one dot. Let's see how well it blends. And that's how it blends. So you can hear I blended it less over here than over here. But yeah, nice. So we'll put you over there where you belong. And this is Fresh Soy Cleanser, which is just a cleanser, but let's... Okay, it's sealed. I can't smell a thing. It's sealed, so I'm not going to unseal it because I got 900 of them in there. I checked today because I was gonna. So I'm gonna have to get some to Kaylee. So that cleanser is on the last page. Fresh soy face cleanser. Nope, not on that one. Where the heck is it? It's got to be on the middle of this one. Nope. Is it on this one? Nope. Oh, here it is. I found it. And that has a $39 value. The next thing is this. I chose these brushes. I always choose brushes when they're available because I'm not going to give them as gifts. And this set is $25. This is what it looks like. How it comes. Yeah, I forgot to put my nails on again. Totally forgot. Ignore me. I'm getting my stuff together. I have to go get my medicine. So I thought, well, I'll sit down here and record this while I'm waiting for it to get done. Well, goodness me. Come on. Now, there's one more in there to come out. But these are the 5 brushes. And these are the 5 brushes. They're very good brushes. They're shades by SHAN. And it says Lid. Precision Blend. This is Crease. This is Blend. And this one is Detail Blend. So that's that whole set. But I do like when they put it actually on the brush what it's for. Because, you know, some of us older people, when we go to try a newer stuff, newer style, we don't know. So those brushes were like $5 a piece, but they're $25 for the set. Then I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Now, where did I see this? I know I saw it. Oh, here it is. And Anastasia can be expensive. Here it is, and this is $55. And this is what it looks like. No, I need a drink. I'm still not feeling that great. I'm still having troubles with that dry throat. And when it starts, I start. Okay. Come on, open up. And then inside, it has this inside packaging to protect it. And then this is the inside of the palette. And it's kind of got a green to it. Now these are the colors, and it does have a mirror. But these are the colors. And they're smooth. I mean, ooh. I'm just going to do a couple of them, but they are smooth. Here's a couple of colors. Those are the ones I'll probably be using the most, so there's that. And it has a magnetic closure, which I didn't realize till I went to close it. Okay, and then I'll put this in here just in case. Okay, and then I got, because I decided to give it to one of the girls. The last thing I got, what is this? I forgot. Oh, this is By Rose. Yogurt, something yogurt, moisture barrier cream. Okay. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Why they wouldn't do that? I wonder why they wouldn't put it there. That's crazy. There's nothing in the middle of that one, so we know it's not that. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. Can't sing it no more. Oh, here it is, right here at the bottom. Silly me. Biro. Oh, here it is. It's oat yogurt. It's oat yogurt moisture barrier cream. And it's valued at what? $106. So, it looks like this. Yeah, $106. $106. I know a lot of older women tend to use their older foundation, but then they put moisture in it. Now, I want you to look at this glass. You're not really getting a whole hell of a lot for $106. You got a big old gap right here at the bottom. So this shit better be good. Yeah, it better be good. And it had a lid on it. I opened it off screen because I know you guys get tired of watching. No, the lid was in. Look, the lid was in the cap. It just went on the floor. The lid was in the cap. I opened everything off screen because you guys get tired. I'm sure you get tired of watching me. But this is the consistency of it. It's, you know, fairly thick. But I'm going to put it down here on my skin instead of on that spot where I put the makeup. Now that I like. I really like it. But would I $106 like? Probably not. You know. I'm poor. Can't afford $106 to put on my face. And honestly, I gotta admit, even if I could afford it, I'm not sure I would. At this late stage of the game, the damage is done. You know, this late stage of the game, I'm 61. And it's kind of like, at this late stage of the game, is it worth the $66.99 I paid for it? Absolutely. It always is. I'll be honest with you, this is the real reason why I didn't keep with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Because this is always worth it. It's always a good value. And I appreciate the value. I appreciate being able to try products. There's no way I would be able to try otherwise. So I do appreciate that. But yeah, the Icon Box is my favorite out of all the Ipsys. To be honest with you. And I get so many other boxes here. I really don't have, you know, I have so many full-size products around here. There's no using them all up. Even when I give them to all the girls. So anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff. You know, old people need love too. Come on, don't be afraid. Bye.